Hey guys, this is Stephanie and I'm Stacks on Stacks on Stacks. Okay friends, so we're coming at you with another round of Reverse Talk. It is going to be me versus Naomi, the chili, because it's freezing in this basement. So
well, it's 1 degree outside right now.
It's cold outside, and there is a blizzard this weekend. So that happened too. So we are going to have a round of Reverse Talk where Mark is going to say the name of the book into his phone and then reverse it, and then we have to recreate the reverse in my phone and guess what the book is based on that.
And if it's Steph's turn and she can't guess it, Naomi can try one guess off of just what she's heard. Otherwise, it just goes to her turn completely.
Yes.
Oh man.
One guess off of what she's heard. The only rule is the book has to be on this big shelf that is behind us, which is, let's be honest, probably almost 1,000 books. So that shouldn't be too hard, right, Mark?
It's actually probably closer to about 250 books. It's not that many. But
That's because I have one shelf that's completely
She has
empty.
1,835 books.
Maybe 300.
As of today.
That does not include children's books, like the small ones.
It does not. We don't count those. Those don't count.
All right.
All right, we're going to go out of the room.
The Golden Specific. The Golden Specific. Okay, come on back. Yep, I have flipped a coin.
Okay.
You're going to call it in the air. 1 or 2. Naomi, call it. 1 or 2.
2.
It was 2. Okay.
What are the chances?
It was. I actually held this up before they came in. So.
Oh.
Naomi and Mark are brother and sister. I just want to say there's a bias here. That's all.
He didn't marry me.
I chose you.
So I think
he's known her longer.
I have.
There are people I've known a long time. I like my husband better, so.
All right.
Yeah.
You ready?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to play this backwards. Okay?
Oh boy.
Here we go. Here we go. You get a total of they get a total of 3 times listening to it.
Oh, okay.
One more.
Then you're going to hit that and say it into there, what you just heard.
And then tap it again when I'm done.
It'll be a stop button. It'll pop up.
Okay. This is not.
You're waiting too long. You're waiting too long.
Sniffle.
No, that's 4. She wants it the backwards. It's a hard one. I didn't make it an easy. I didn't make it an easy one. So you can use that as many times as you can. And I'm going to put a 30-second time limit on each of their turns. And you get.
I don't know this bookshelf.
You don't, and you get 3 guesses.
I don't either. I just put the books on there.
Bing, 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 bing.
You get 3 guesses. I'll move out of the way.
The element of something. You have too many of these.
No, that's not.
It's not a thing. 15 seconds. Actually, closer to 10 seconds.
Ordeal by innocence?
Nope. It's guess number 1.
How many guesses do I get?
3.
3.
It's time.
Okay. Well, I will just Postern of Fate.
No.
I don't know.
It's impossible because these aren't her books, see? And I played this against Steph, and I was like, I don't know how I can do this. So, last guess? If you don't have one, it's okay.
Lost to the Mohicans.
Nope. Stephanie.
I'm going to guess Empire of Storms.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's hear it.
The Golden Specific.
The Golden Specific. It's down there.
Clearly, I was not specific enough with my snibbling.
By S.E. Grove. Okay, get out.
Ugh.
This next one will be Steph's. Okay. Into the Bright Unknown.
Into the Bright Unknown.
Okay. Come on back. Trying to trick me. It's not working.
We're trickies.
Are you ready?
We're rapper,
Stephanie?
rhyme, we're trickies.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Okay, ready?
Warmed up, now, new shit.
And 30 seconds starts right now.
What? That was worse than the first
Stabbed by
one.
a gnome. That's what your book is.
1,000th floor?
Nope. You have 15 seconds.
Nope. One more guess.
Bridget Jones' Diary.
No.
Can I guess?
Naomi, you have a
Yes.
guess.
A poison, dark, and drowning.
No.
Ah, I thought that might be it.
Into the bright unknown. It's all the way down here on the bottom. Right there.
I just got that one too. I was very unfamiliar.
Right next to the Golden Specific.
So we're both at 0. Winner.
0-0. They're tied. Get out of here.
We're so cool.
Next one's Naomi's. Leave.
Oh boy.
Leave us. The Pearl Thief. Okay, come on back. I'm not going to play it. It's fine, I'm sure. Are you ready?
Naomi's turn.
Here we go, Naomi.
I'm ready.
Feed floor with.
Do you?
Feed floor with.
Floor Vin. Right, now which one do I hit?
Backwards.
This one.
The through thief.
The something thief?
The through thief.
You have one more play on here if you want it.
Oh, do it. Oh, should. Okay.
It's up to you.
Sure, do it again.
Feed floor with.
Floor Vin.
The through thief.
It's
30 seconds.
Okay, it's a something thief.
About 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, not being familiar with the books is it's horrible, right?
Dance of Thieves.
No, not Dance of Thieves. Do you have any other
The
guesses?
something thief.
The Something Thief.
The girl thief.
The Girl Thief?
I don't know.
That is not correct.
Salt to the sea.
Is it my turn?
It's your turn.
The Pearl Thief by Elizabeth Wayne.
Yes,
We couldn't
the Pearl
understand you and you only get one guess.
Oh, yep, sorry.
Sorry. Nullified.
I am giving Naomi.
And the award goes
For our family. Worst dysfunctional family ever.
I am giving Naomi
Best dysfunctional family.
Half.
Family that's most dysfunctional.
half a point for
Jesus.
saying
That's okay.
the Something Thief. So if it comes down to a
Pearl! I have 2 copies. I have one
the
here,
girl
one
thief
there.
is not far
Pearl
off.
Thief.
All right,
So.
1 to 0.5. Here we go.
Wow. Boom.
Okay. Stepping on roses.
Stepping on roses.
Okay, come on back.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Again.
It's not it.
Okay, one more time.
You get it for us.
Sister, yeah.
Versus.
Okay, 30 seconds. Kevin's sleeping. We have to be kind of quiet. It's one. Okay, go.
Which is why we're tired and cold.
Rain Mountain versus.
10 seconds.
Name of the Wind.
No.
Words of Radiance.
No. Kind of sounds like that, I guess. Oh.
Librarian of Auschwitz.
Nope. Naomi, did you have a guess?
The evil librarians?
No.
What is it?
Stepping on roses.
Stepping on roses.
If you can't find it.
I can find it. I just don't want to. I feel like it's... Oh, right. It's right there. Stepping on roses. Get out. Naomi's turn. The Bands of Mourning. Okay, come on back.
Oh, she returns.
Okay, Boo. Not the original Boo. Okay,
Okay, Boo.
I'm
here
ready.
we go.
Everyone was mad, but
Do it again.
everyone was mad, but
I think I know
One
it.
more. How about one more? How about we make sure you do all 3 and then you can go.
Okay.
everyone was mad, but
Your own nervous.
Surveillance of Murray.
Mm-hmm.
Surveillance of Murray.
Bands of Mourning?
Yep.
Yes.
Hey!
Okay, that was pretty good. Okay,
All
get
right,
out.
Now, Stephanie's turn.
So Naomi's leading by half a point.
No, there's no half a point.
It's half a point. Naomi's leading. That's how this goes. Oh, okay. Wonder Woman Warbringer. Okay, come on back. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
This is for you.
Her in your rope, and I'm over no. Her in your rope, and I'm over no.
One more.
Yeah.
Her in your rope, and I'm over no.
Her new rope in her rope.
Chronic Warbringer.
Sorry, it sounds like you're in your room. You're in your room, and I'm a weird gnome.
Chronic Warbringer.
Warbringer? I feel like it is.
You have 30 seconds.
Wonder Woman Warbringer?
Yes, that's correct.
Yay!
Okay, get out. Okay, we got 2 more. We'll see. Next one's for Naomi. And then there were none.
I don't want to hurt them.
Kevin is sleeping. Put it
Let's
out.
go get him.
No. Come on.
We'll put it away. This is a non-PvP zone.
It's past 1 in the morning.
Whose turn? Naomi's turn.
That's Naomi's turn.
I'm under with nothing.
Do it again.
Why is this
I'm under with nothing.
One more, ready?
I'm under with nothing.
Another and wasn't it?
That's a winner and none.
The heckin' was that?
30 seconds.
Did you catch that? Let's just battle it out for the point.
sticky out?
That's a winner and none.
Alice's Adventures in Wonderland?
Nope.
No, that's too long.
1. Steph got it, I think.
I don't know. I don't. The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings. I don't know. Your turn.
No, so
I
close.
think. And then there were none?
Oh.
And then there were none.
Oh.
But it's
That is
Agatha
a good
Christie.
book.
I thought, yeah,
It's
I
a
was
very
gonna
good
say
book.
that one, so.
It's also terrifying. So.
Okay. Oh.
So that means.
Stephanie's up by half a point.
That means.
Get out. Go.
Oh, I was waiting for her to kill me.
Not yet. Here we go. Got it. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn.
We're ready.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
This is you, Steph. This is the last one, by the way. Okay.
We're ready.
If you're able to have a searching if they,
Still clear.
if you're able to have a searching if they,
One more time.
if you're able to have a searching if they,
Nif, nerable, up, nerf, snay.
What's that?
Was it?
hand Christmas with bottle rare and fin,
30 seconds.
hand Christmas with bottle rare and fin, hand Christmas with bottle rare and fin,
10 seconds.
hand Christmas with bottle rare and fin,
The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn?
No! Dang it! And I
Ladies
knew
and
it.
gentlemen.
I know you know it because you looked at it and then you went.
Oh, I gave it away.
Just like that. No, I didn't. I just was like,
It wasn't just like that, but like you were looking across about there, and then you turn around and you look.
And I was like, it must be there.
no.
Yeah.
No, I got it from hearing the
we'll,
word.
We'll look. We'll look back and we'll know.
Now, this is where you do a cool rewindy thing. And then we'll find out.
Yep.
Can I do that?
I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see.
Winner and still champion of her own bookshelves, Stephanie.
Yay!
I'm Stephanie. I'm wearing the hoodie.
She does have on the Mean Girls hoodie
She
that
looks
says.
a lot like that weirdo
She
who
doesn't even go here.
hijacked your channel that one time.
Okay, guys. Well, I guess I won, which is great. Though I'm gonna admit
Boogers.
it was a pretty rough start at first, wasn't it? Rough start.
I gave him hard ones.
We didn't know the books. You
It's
think
alright.
that I didn't read? Maybe I don't.
I don't read.
Clearly. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you got any of those right down below. If you were listening, you're like, why can't you hear those? Because, you know, maybe I should play you is what I should do. Maybe I should play Mark.
I'm good.
No, I'd lose. Let's be honest, I'd lose.
Don't forget to like.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to leave that comment because I'm curious if you guys are good at this game. Probably better than me. I post videos on Mondays or Tuesdays and on Fridays, so you can always find me here. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye. What do you guys want to do for the stacks on stacks on stacks? Oh boy! The boog ghost takes over.
Outtake.
Don't you know what this is?
It's almost.
Somebody knows what it is, but she doesn't even watch my videos.
It's almost 1 in the morning. Is what it is. Bob the Bat.
Bob the Bat.
You did know.
I did know I was going to the boog, but Bob.
Okay.
I'm not doing that again. It's too cold.
It's too cold.
Hey guys.
This is Stephanie.
Stephanie. Trent, come here on camera quick, just for fun. Nope. No problem. Average wait time, yeah, it's great.
So tired.
Goodbye.
I actually do read. I do read.
Playing with my lightsabers.
Not yours. Half mine. One of them's mine.
They're mine, but what's mine is yours.
But I do read. Everywhere.
She'll put that in outtakes.
No, she
that
doesn't.
Actually, you can read as long as there's.
Illiterate.
That's not true.
Is-
I have many
Can-
books.
Can you read the word that's on my hand? I didn't think so. It's a magic trick. It goes 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! The magnificent Stephanie and her magic tricks. I see a new YouTube channel in my future.
Retired.
I'll bring her back, guys. Okay, ready? You ready? Ready?
Okay, hold on.
1, 2, 3. That was uncomfortable. I feel better.
I'm stopping this.
It's so
Putting-
late.
putting it in.